Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily change your plan in Netflix. So let's say here's a scenario. I have already bought a plan, but it's only HD or Full HD, and I want my shows to be viewed 4K. So how you do it? By changing your plan. So let's see how it's done. Go over to your profile account and click on account down here. Now it will open up this window and you can see it already: manage membership or change plan. Both of these will get you where you want to go. So click on change plan, and as you can see, you can pick the plan that you want. So if you are on basic, choose standard or premium. If you are on standard, choose premium. Or if you want a lower plan, I think you can do it as well. Don't know, right? But you should be able, right? So go over to premium, press continue, and then do everything they want you to. So basically you will have to pay more or less depending on what plan you choose. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.